Like most normal people, I have a computer at home. It's a nice enough pre-built computer. It's served me well for several years. It's been a good computer. However, now it is time to move on. And what we're going to be moving on to is a significantly higher end computer than the one that I had before. So we'll be putting up a series of videos showing the unboxings of each of the parts for our new gaming/work computer. And given that our work involves games, I guess no matter what we do with it, it's a work computer. Lucky us. Yeah, but series of unboxing videos and benchmark videos comparing it to the old computer and all of those sorts of things, so that way you can see the difference between a $500 pre-built and a... Okay, we're not sure what the exact numbers are, but a significantly more expensive dedicated gaming computer. So you can see side by side what it looks like, what would go into it, and that's actually about all that I have to share right now, since the parts are going to start coming in the next few days, and as the parts come in, we'll be putting up videos chronicling the process. So subscribe, follow along, look for computer part videos. They just might be ours. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you will check back to see our computer as we build it.